Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that can elevate your cooking game, the Hawkins Stainless Steel 5.0 Litre Pressure Cooker. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this pressure cooker stand out. The Hawkins 5.0 Litre Pressure Cooker is designed with both functionality and durability in mind. Its body and lid are made of 100% stainless steel, ensuring longevity and a sleek appearance in your kitchen. The bottom features a core of 4.06 mm thick aluminum sandwiched between two sheets of stainless steel, which not only promotes uniform heating but also prevents warping over time. One of the key highlights of this pressure cooker is its versatility. It is induction compatible, meaning you can use it on induction cooktops as well as traditional gas stoves. This is a significant advantage for those who may switch between cooking methods or have varying kitchen setups. Plus, the base of the cooker stays flat and does not bugle or separate, ensuring that it performs consistently well over the long term. When it comes to cooking, this pressure cooker excels in delivering tasty meals. Whether you're preparing a hearty stew, tenderizing meats, or cooking grains, the Hawkins pressure cooker can handle it all. It's not just limited to pressure cooking, you can also use it for frying, whether it's light frying or deeper frying, making it a truly multifunctional tool in your kitchen arsenal. So, who is this cooker suitable for? If you're a busy professional, a parent, or simply someone who enjoys cooking but needs efficiency, this pressure cooker is a perfect fit. It's designed to save you time in the kitchen while still allowing you to prepare delicious meals. Even if you're a novice cook, the Hawkins pressure cooker is user-friendly and enables you to achieve great results without complicated techniques. Let's consider some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day and wanting to whip up a quick yet nutritious meal. With the Hawkins pressure cooker, you can prepare a full meal in a fraction of the time it would normally take. You can cook lentils, beans, or rice in no time, and because it can also be used for frying, you can easily saute vegetables or fry your favorite dishes. The included whistle and gasket ensure that you're alerted when the pressure cooking begins, so you can go about your other tasks without worry. In conclusion, the Hawkins Stainless Steel 5.0 Litre Pressure Cooker is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. With its durable construction, versatile cooking methods, and efficiency, this pressure cooker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.